Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain how we can create workday schedule in Oracle HCM. So let's move on to the application. Let's move on the implementation project. For that, click on the profile name, setup and maintenance. Go to task area and then click on the implementation projects. Here, find your project. And under the task, select for work schedule. Select the task. Here, click on the create option for creating new work schedule. Here, fill the name of the work schedule. Then select the time. So here, the time work schedule has a fixed workday pattern, and anyone assigned the schedule is available for specific hours each day. For example, you want an 8-hour schedule for 5 days of the week. You create a time work schedule that starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. And the elapsed work schedule doesn't have a fixed start or end times for anyone assigned schedule. Instead, they are available for a specific number of hours each day, a specific duration. For example, everyone works 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday. Some people may start work at 9 a.m. and others at 11. Some people might work in a 2-hour bands with an hour or more of non-work time in between. So it doesn't matter as long as they work their assigned duration. So here I select the time types and change the effective start date. In effective to date. Here we can add the pattern we previously created. Search for the pattern. Here we can see. And here you can add the exceptions. Here, the calendar event is an exception for a single event on one or more consecutive days, such as public holiday or trainee event. And calendar event category is an exception for all calendar events that make up the event category. For example, the event New Year's Day, Good Friday, and Easter Monday make up the category UK public holiday. And last is a resource exception, is an exception for everyone assigned the work schedule. For example, everyone assigned the night shift schedule is scheduled to attend a training event, so they are not available to their regular work. So here I select the calendar event category and here I select the public holiday. Then I'm going to submit it. So this is how we can create the work schedule. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.